What's up? How you guys doing? TK back. We're about to do another charting session. Another live trading session. So let's go ahead and jump in. So earlier this week we talked about USD JPY making this fall. We're already in this sale, and last night it pulled back close towards our entry. I thought we would be able to add to this position. Didn't quite make it though. Yeah, so the area that I was looking for was this area right here. It stopped a little shy and continued that downtrend. From here, what I'm testing to see is if this area would be a valid area of support, and if we could get maybe a short-term pullback on USD JPY to retest either this level or this one here before this downtrend continues. Okay. Another thing that we took a trade on is Euro CAD. These are the trade setups that we took a look at during our live charting session on on Sunday. So we hopped on at the beginning of the week. We took a look at the news to see what we wanted to trade. We saw that Euro and USD had high volatility this week, and that's the only reason we took a look at these pairs. And in doing so, we found some great trades. This is our Euro sale entry right here. And right now, price is trading in consolidation. What I want to see is if price will pull back from this area to retest this 618 and give us another rejection to head towards our last target. So I already got this trade set up in place. The only thing I need to do from here is just wait, set these alerts below and above price as well. That's going to be one of the major things. That way you don't have to just sit around staring at the charts. Hi, I'm John. That's a dope name. Get on the chart. Oh. Okay. So we got this. Got these alerts in place. What are you watching on, Amar? Oh yeah, you don't need to watch it. I tell you. Oh, so if we don't get this pullback that we're looking for and price decides it wants to continue moving down without us, what we'll do is wait on a couple candles to close, and when we get this pullback, we're gonna add in the sell. And we're only waiting until 11:30 for these things to play out. If we don't see what we need to see for a market execution order, we'll place limit orders and let everything work itself out from there. Okay. Need a quick reminder. I think we were looking for buys. Oh God. Yeah, Euro AUD is taking a beating right now. Look like we got a chance that we can see it break beneath these lows. We got to see what happens. It's at a really strong structural level of support right now. All right, this is where current price is. But on the weekly and the daily, this area has a lot of rejections right here. So it's a really strong level. Now, the thing that I look at when I see these levels is I know a lot of traders place their stop losses underneath those levels. So I normally trade to see price falling beneath those areas. And I did the exact same thing on my Ripple trade. What are we on? Euro AUD. So let me show you guys this Ripple trade before I come back. Okay. And we actually bought this live yesterday in our session. So let me go to what time frame? This is the daily. Let me go to the 2 hour. So in the 2 hour time frame, I tighten this up. Matter of fact, let me do the 4 hour. So I noticed this same thing. I saw all of these rejections retesting the same level, but there was an area that has not been retested quite yet. But I saw all of these different things lined up. So we actually took a sale on Ripple from here. A good friend of mine told me to buy it at $3 from reading news articles, and they may very well be right, but when you understand technicals, these levels have to be captured. So we got that massive move, and this was Monday morning. We bought this, and that gave us a 1 to 6 on the way up. On the way down, that's a 1 to 22. Just from paying attention to what's going on structurally, you have to pay attention. When those areas start to stack like that, it's almost a guarantee. Well, not almost, it's a guarantee that price will capture the money in that area. I can show you that on crypto, forex, options. It's all the same thing, same concept. So back to EA. I hope that's low enough to where we're not echoing. All right, so we had some action down here in this weekly zone. When was this? Okay, February the 2nd. So that was a quick little move to retest the highs. It actually broke above a little, but it did not break this previous high. So we still technically have price creating lower highs. It also created a lower low right here on the 3rd. So if price breaks this low again, there's a good chance we can see these lows being broken as well. Because again, we got this weekly level down here that needs to be retested. So right now, this will be the key level that we need to monitor. And we got liquidity underneath this area. It's a good chance we can see this sell. Without even using the EMAs, I can tell that momentum is definitely bearish. Yeah, fighting at that 200. The rest of the EMA is right above price. Okay. So with this, we just need to do the same thing. We understand where we are structurally, which is the most important part. We understand the different possibilities. we could either get a rejection at this area to move to the upside, or price could drop to capture all of this money that we got to the downside. Break beneath this area, give us this pullback to let us in on this sale, and we take it going down to that weekly level. So I'm just gonna set them an alert here and set one right here. If I'm not mistaken, all of the news, let me double check. Yeah, so no, we got Euro news tomorrow. Yeah, Wednesday and Thursday. Yep, so let's just use these alerts because there is a good chance that we could see consolidation. But if anything else happens, we will be notified so we can take advantage of this position. Yeah, and that looks like a head and shoulders pattern right there too. $16 minutes left. Yeah, those alerts will keep you from staring at charts unnecessarily. We also took this Euro pound sale. Beautiful setup. It hit our third target here. They gave us a 1 to 28. So we got some big wins on these trades, man. Win. Yeah. Next thing we want to do is see if we can catch this rejection right here, or see if it's going to continue. Okay. So that's what we need to see on the 15-minute when we're looking for a reversal. I used to get in early as soon as price would hit my rejection zone. And one thing I noticed, when the 50 EMA is really far away from price, I'll normally go into profit briefly just to retest either that 50 or that 200 before it drops well beneath my entry. I'll get spooked, take a sale going in the opposite direction, just to get smacked again because I was right on the buy. I was just too early. So I started to wait until conditions met, which were this 200 actually touching price, before I even show interest in taking this rejection. So that's something that we could pay attention to. Oh damn, it almost retested the right shoulder right there. Yeah. Damn, look at this. We got a bunch of lows over here that need to be broken too. So with this, I was actually looking for a short pullback before we get a continuation in this downtrend. So we don't want to get too crazy as far as our target. Let me get rid of these EMAs. Now, if we look to the left, This entire area right here, that's a structural level. Price fought to break above it, and once it did, it fought hard to stay above it. And hold on, let me zoom in so you can see. When that downtrend started, it broke beneath that area, but it never retested it. That's why I got this zone here, this key level. So that's the next thing that we want to test. We want to see if price will reject at these lows and pull back and hit this structural level before continuing that downtrend. Okay. So I want you to, we're gonna place a market execution order, and we're gonna do a limit order. So we'll have 2 entries on this. Hold on 1 second. Cool. I'm gonna write them out. So right here at these lows, where we had price consolidating, this area right here, where price broke out, we call that the downtrend structural break. We normally wait until price pulls back to retest that area to enter in that trade. So that's the area that we're gonna put our sell limit order. I'm sorry, our buy limit order. Boom. Let's do that one first. So euro pound. I'm trying to find it. Okay. Euro pound. Let me go to that 15-minute. Bet. So you got a pending buy. The entry point is 0.83059. We're gonna put our stop underneath this low. Still give us a let's make this stop loss 0.82948. Okay. Let me get you some targets. Actually, see. I think it's a chance it could go slightly above that. put this at that next structural level for the exact same reasons. Price created multiple rejections right there at that area. We do have money right there, so we don't want that to be our stop loss. This thing definitely got a bunch of rejections right here, so there's money right here as well. Let's move this up. All right, so let's flip these. I'm gonna give you TP1 first. Give me a few. It's still a good trade. Well, it was always a good trade. It was more than 1 to 3. Even if we get a lesson, that's great odds. That's what we want. So your first TP, we're gonna go right to these highs. Let me make sure the numbers are the same on the terminal. $0.83437. The second one is $0.8379. No. Oh, it's a 0 at the end. And the third one is 84288. All right, cool. All right, let's go to the next one. Oh, we did say we was gonna play some market execution too, right? We can close that out at the high. So market execution with the same stop loss. It should pull up automatically if you hit the same coordinates. Cool. So I'm good. I'm in. Same targets. Yes. I'm setting an alert at the second entry, also at the stop loss and at each target.
For soothing relief from sore noses and sneezes.
What's next? Yo, JPY definitely wants to break those highs. Let's see. All right, we got multiple rejections down here at these lows, giving us more money. More money. Let's see. Okay. Yeah, this thing could definitely come all the way down here to this monthly level. Sheesh. So again, with all of these rejections happening at the same place, this level is getting weaker. Sheesh. Captured the money right here. Dang, when was that? Oh, this is where we are right now. Oh, got you. So it captured the money and pulled back. Damn, this may be a good area, if any. If this downtrend is going to continue. Let's see. Let's see this. So the reason I'm interested in this downtrend, we had these major structural tests right here at this level, but price rejected each time until this move. So this pullback could just be a bear flag to push price down again. Oh, okay, and it's just filling the gap. All right, so let's go ahead and take this Euro JPY sale. It's market execution. All right, cool. Damn. Risk reward is 609. Huh. All right, what's this? Euro JPY. Oh shit, hurry, get in there. What time frame is that? 4 hours. Are you ready for that stop loss? The stop loss says 1.6, I'm sorry, 161.503. Hey. Okay, your first TP is 153.944. Second TP is 156.884. All right, we're in profit. Your third TP is 153.748. Got it. Good, good. All right, we're in profit right now. We just let it run. Let's see. Euro USD. Oh, gold. You still in profit on gold? You got that gold buy still in? How much you up on that gold buy? Before what? You up 120 on gold? We should probably close gold. Well, you can move the stop loss really high, really high. Yeah. You know how to drag your stop loss up? So click it. On the chart, no. Oh, it's real simple. Once I show you one time, you'll completely understand it. What? No. What other trades you got open over there? Oh, okay. That in gold. Okay. You're looking for a pullback on gold. Need to see some consolidation though. Oh, okay. And this was at high. We need to keep that one. We can get rid of this guy. Yeah, we don't know where gold is going right now, so we just have to track price. Use the same concept. If it breaks above, we'll wait to make sure that it retests structure and gives us something valid, not just a quick shot above and then a sharp move to the downside. Dang, it just snapped up there and filled that gap. What's it gonna do in here? Give me a second, I'm cleaning up this chart, getting rid of these old setups. Dude got this micro break right here. Dang, it filled that entire gap. Let's see. Time frame is that?
With QuickBooks Solopreneur, keep your finances
good?
organized year-round. Move from books to taxes seamlessly with visibility into potential.
Yeah, that momentum is definitely still bullish right now, so looks like the safest thing we'll have to do is wait until price either captures that money right there or wait until we see a rejection. Or also breaking this trend line. Yeah, that's a lot of money up there. So the same thing here, I just want to set alerts. Look real suspect. We got a trade we're already in profit on. No need to just jump into shit just because. Right now it's moving up in a upward channel. Guess I'll just set an alert right here. We already got that alert above, and we'll just monitor Euro USD in that manner. I think that's it. Oh. So we were wrong. It didn't reject here. I'm glad we missed it, man, because if we would have had a limit order right there and price gapped all the way down here, that would have been an upset stomach because of a little thing called slippage. Okay. Okay. So I see where we want to go. Right up here at the highs where we had this structural level right here. Price broke it. But we have yet to retest that area, so let's see if we can catch a continuation of this uptrend on US 30. Let's move this. Got you. So it's using this area as support. That's why it's really important to understand what's going on the left side of price. So when you see things like this, you understand why they happened. So we need to break and retest above this Cezanne. Uh-oh. And we are taking the US 30 buy. He said, talk to me. Got you. How much time left we got? We got 20 minutes left in this candle. Let's see it. That's my prediction. Let me actually leave it up there just to see. I like doing this. All right, so I'm gonna go ahead and close out. I'm not about to sit here and stare at no candle for 18 minutes. So I'm gonna set an alert. I'm gonna come back and check this thing out. If this candle closes, this candle here, if this candle closes above this area, when this 18 minutes comes to a close, then we are placing that trade. If not, we're gonna leave it alone. Let me set an alert right here too.
Good evening. Tonight we have the Pride of West Africa. It brings together
That's all we saw on the Euro news, right? Euro? Yeah, that was it. Okay. I think we already have a limit order on oil. Let me double check. We got I don't know if you have it. Go to US Oil. Damn, it's not up there. I don't have it either. Oh, it already activated on ours. That is wild. Yeah, the terminal is different than TradingView. So what we'll do is just place an alert right here. And when it gets back to this area, I will wait and see how things align on TradingView and then in Trade Locker terminal. Somebody pulled up? Yeah, because here's still showing pretty much the same thing, that we could possibly get a slight pullback, but most likely to give you another drop. And I'll wait until, well, wait to see if this trade setup is activated, and also to see how price responds to this level before we put an alert at our TP1. But right now, we just want to see price push up towards this area so we can look for a pullback or a sell from here. Where is the mouse? Oh, here we go. Got all these damn screens. Okay. Hey, look. My prediction playing out. Let's see. We got a couple more pips to go before we hit this level. Then let's see if it pull back. Let's go. Guess why we do that. Let's take a look at NASDAQ. This is a key level we're fighting at right now on the weekly. That beat kind of it's kind of nice. That's smooth. We got 3 days left in the week. Let's see how price responds in this weekly area we got. How the trade's looking that we just entered. Oh, okay. Still in profit. Okay, we got a structural break at the highs on the 4-hour time frame. Was it retested? No, it wasn't. Oh, that's beautiful. Excuse me. So not only was it not retested, but price pulled back towards that level quite a few times on the 4-hour time frame, and it didn't reach it. So same thing, we're gonna look for a buy to trade towards that level. Damn. I don't know how we missed that. It's okay. Damn, that was a perfect entry too. It is okay. Now this is the thing about this weekly zone being so wide. Price could actually break above this entire thing, capture that liquidity in that area that we spoke about, and still reject. I don't know what happened to my arrow. Put that back. Oh man. Thank you for subscribing, family. This. I think we may need to be a little more patient on this entry. Time frame. Yeah. So right down here at this area, where price consolidated, we have this breakout. And price, price came close, but it didn't retest it yet. So I want to be a little more patient. So now that I'm seeing that we got liquidity underneath this area, that changes the perspective of using this level as an entry. And it falls right by the 236 on the field. So I'm only looking at this level at the lows in this area right here. We do got a big gap right here. Should see some reaction right here at this high. We do have a double top right here. Now, the thing about this double top is all of the liquidity that we have above it. So even if we do get a move, it may not be a long term, maybe a quick pullback, or it may just cause consolidation just to give price enough momentum to get above it. Double top here on a different time frame.
There's more to imagine.
Okay. Yep, pretty much show the same thing. Both possibilities are still there on all time frames, but this will definitely be the safer trade. The risk ratio is pretty much good on both. So really, since both align with the rules, because this would be the break and retest, since both align with the rules, we could take them both, and that wouldn't be dishonoring ourselves or anything. So let's see. Yeah, and that's still a 1-7. Yeah, but I definitely got a little more confidence in that setup at the 2-3-6. That doesn't mean that this one won't play out, especially now that it's showing from this time frame all the way down to smaller time frames. So really from the 2 hour all the way down, it's showing that this could be a valid area of support right here. And again, this was a key level in the past. So we'll play both, and we'll just see what happens. Make sure you don't over leverage. What's going on? Oh, that US 30 prediction. Yeah, 69. We could see a slightly deeper pullback. Yeah, but I would rather give that up in the stop loss. That's still a 1-5 on US 30. That's pretty good. Okay, so that candle did close the way we were expecting it to on US 30, so I'm going to go ahead and place that limit order. US 30. Let me see. Okay.
They don't have to be out there till 11:50 though.
Okay. Uh-oh. Doing pending order. The entry is 447.95. the stop is 44332.22. TP1 is 44557.1. TP2 yeah. Well, just get as close as you can. That's fine. Nothing. Pending buy. Yep, so it's a pending buy. And there you go. TP2 is 44. $719.8. TP3 44919.5. Oh shit. Cool. All right, cool. So that's it. There's that. I got these coordinates already in, and it'll send the alerts to my phone. Do we got targets set up? We don't. Let me set up these targets on NASDAQ. We'll go ahead and close this thing out. Cool. So we got 2 alerts set to notify us if we get a pullback to retest this flag pattern that was just created on NASDAQ 100. If we do get that retest of that pattern, we're going to take that move to the upside. Right. So we're looking at this area, and then if we get a break in those lows, the next area we're looking at is this one. So that will be it for today. Let's just let the trade setups that we have run. Appreciate you guys for hopping on with us. Let's see. Oh, Sean in the Discord. Hold on a second, Doc. About to close everybody else out, then I gotta run. But again, we appreciate you guys for hopping on with us. If you want to start with us and you don't know where to begin, head to our website, PrivateTakersEU.com. We're going to show you how to set up your demo account and your live account and teach you how to place and monitor your trade setup. So when you see me live getting active, you'll be able to make money with us. Along with that, you get the free trial to our Mindset series, Structure Breaking. This is the glue. We got to show you guys the power of your thoughts, beliefs, and actions, and show you how to be intentional with your words so you can be more efficient as a trader. We also have a few books available on Amazon. 6 Steps to Trading with Consistent Results covers all of the concepts that I use in my live sessions and in our charting sessions. We also have a few log books to help you log your trade setups and your emotional state throughout executing. And we got some merch so you guys can support the vision, support the dream. And to join the company, you can start with the beginner bundle or upgrade to tier 2. But as always, you're one trade away from living. While I fight to stay safe.